building your independent business, it's going to take three key things. Branding. What is your brand? What's your logo? What do you stand on? Marketing. What services are you providing? What product are you providing? What are you selling to your clients or your customers? 3, advertisement. You have to advertise yourself all the time. It's never a such thing as, oh, once I get to a certain level, I don't have to pay for advertisement no more. Nah. Have you ever just noticed some of these companies? Have you ever seen them not stop running ads? McDonald's been running ads since they've been in business. They got a budget just for running ads. So when you're building your independent business, you got to think like the majors. You're just operating in a small space. See what I'm saying? But you still got to think like them. And you still need to network